Good morning everybody. Another beautiful day here in winter in New Zealand. I decided to go for another hike. Today I wanted to take a closer look at the Earnslaw Glacier, but not like last time doing the Earnslaw Burn, but rather doing the Earnslaw Ridge. So it's basically just straight up, almost into the sun. Just a few more steps. Oh, you can see it coming. And finally reached the ridge. You can see the lake in the distance. So let me tell you a short story about this ridge line. It's called Lover's Leap. So what happened there is there was a couple, a man and a woman of two different Maori tribes, and they were loving each other, but because they were from different tribes they weren't allowed to see each other, and so they decided they can't live together. They want to die together, and they threw themselves off this really steep part of the cliff down there, and that's why it is called Lover's Leap. It's like a Maori version of Romeo and Juliet, but it's a really nice anecdote that I got told by some locals, and it gives this kind of place a little bit more magic. It's crazy how you can walk like on top of the mountain with all the snow and it's still really warm and no clouds today, perfect conditions. Just over there is the Invincible mine where I was a little bit earlier this year. Walking along ridgelines is one of my favorite ways of hiking. You just have such a great view overall around you. So gorgeous. Alright, this is as far as I can go. This part here was quite hard to maneuver around, a little bit of climbing, you know. It seemed I reached the highest point of the ridgeline for a while now. Beautiful view on the Earnslaw Glacier, down into the Rees Valley, and all the way back to Lake Wakatipu. It's like the perfect view for a break.